Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Ollama completely locally on your machine. Ollama is an incredible tool that allows you to host and run powerful open source AI models entirely on your own hardware. So let's jump right in and see how to set it up. First, let's open up our web browser and search for Ollama download. We want to head straight to the official website at ollama.com. I'll also leave a direct link to this page down in the video description for you. Depending on whether you're running macOS, Linux, or Windows, you'll want to choose your platform. For this guide, let's click on Download for Windows. As you can see, the download is kicked off right away. The installer package is roughly 1.2 gigabytes, so let's give it about a minute to download completely. And there we go, the setup file has finished downloading. Let's go ahead and click on the installer to launch it. At this point, you can minimize your browser window to clear the screen. Now we are looking at the Ollama installation wizard. All you need to do here is click Install. The setup script will immediately start deploying the application onto your system. This process takes a little bit of time, so let's sit tight for a couple of minutes while it wraps up. Awesome, the installation is complete and Ollama has automatically launched for us. This is the main user interface. Let's maximize the window so we can see everything clearly. If you click on the sidebar menu, it expands to show the new chat and settings options. Let's click into settings first. This directory view is exactly where all of your locally downloaded models are going to live on your machine, giving you full control over your data. Right below that, you'll notice a context length slider configuration. You can actually toggle this timeline back and forth to fine-tune the maximum memory and context window for your models. Let's click to go back to the main dashboard. Here you can see a breakdown of the various models available. Notice that each option has a dedicated download icon next to it, which allows you to store the model entirely on your machine. For this video, though, we're going to focus on the cloud-hosted options. To interact with any of these massive cloud models, you do need an official Ollama account. Let's click Sign In. I'm going to quickly authenticate by signing up with a Google account, and just like that, we are logged in. Go ahead and click Connect. Excellent, our device is successfully connected. Now you can immediately start executing prompts and querying this massive gpt-oss 120 billion parameter cloud model. For a quick test, let's type in a prompt, "What is Python programming?" and hit enter. Even though this is a massive model hosted externally, the response generation is incredibly snappy. You can see it breaks down exactly what Python is and provides a clean, accurate explanation almost instantly. And remember, even though we're leveraging it through the cloud endpoint right now, this is a completely open source architecture. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.